Introducing the Equator's EW826 Superwasher and ED866 Compact Vented Dryer, a stackable space-saving duo that delivers powerful top-rated performance. Designed for compact spaces, this unit measures 67 inches tall and offers a spacious interior for your laundry needs. The 1.62 cubic feet Superwasher features 15 wash cycles, including normal, eco, delicates, and a special pet cycle, perfect for dander and pet hair. The 3.1 cubic feet vented dryer features cycles like heavy, eco, and refresh, with customizable drying times and 3 heat levels like high, medium, and air. Dry items like shoes or delicates using special drying cycles. The dryer's innovative sensor dry technology stops at the perfect moisture level, while the reversible door, LED lights, and adjustable legs make it a breeze to use in any space. Both units feature a special Sanitize and Allergen cycle, allowing you to eliminate germs and allergens proactively. Enjoy the flexibility of stacking this duo to save space or use them side by side. A stacking kit is included for secure stacking. For more details, scan the QR code on the control panel. Experience the future of laundry care with the Equator's EW826 Superwasher and ED866 Compact Dryer set today.